Hi friends, today I welcome you to Entrepreneur's Wing of Modern Day Empire. Here I discuss some of the things related to the business, related to the investing. So we will discuss some of the things related to now and related to financial education. Now basically what is financial education and why it will be important for you. Now financial education is basically the science of understanding and operating the money. So financial education will help you to ensure that you will have 100% knowledge of money, and you will how you can rotate money in such a manner that you will get enough money for you, and moreover you could help other people also. So this is the science of financial education, definition. So now guys, why financial education is important? So financial education is basically important because it will lead you the science of understanding the money, so that you could use your money in efficient manner and in proper manner. Now guys, where financial education is not been taught. Now basically financial education is not been taught in schools, in colleges, and in organizations. Because if they will taught you they will taught you financial education, so you will simply learn the value how to use money in efficient manner. And if you go with that, then basically you will not require any of the jobs or any other person to be dependent on in order to earn the money or gain the money. So this is all the net scenario. Now where can you get the financial education? Now you could get the financial education from the schools, colleges, and organizations too. So there were two ways speaking. There were two terms speaking at the same time. You could get it and you could not get it. Now you must be thinking about whether we could get it and whether we could not get it. So it is just simply that you could get it, but they will not tell you that we are teaching you this type of things and this type of things will benefit you that. Because some of the things related to the financial education are been taught in there, but they not exactly show you that this will help you in this type of manner. So this is the type. Now we will discuss about some of the things. There are 4 points basically. So we will discuss first with the accounting. Now accounting is related to the understanding of the numbers, that how the numbers are doing, what the things have been applied on the numbers. So basically if you learn the accounting, so you will get the knowledge that how the numbers are working here to there. You will know the rules of the numbers, that how you could put them. And if you will know that, so basically your management about the money will surely improve by the accounting. Then the next thing come from the investing. Now basically investing is why I'm telling you the investing. If now you are lagging behind the money or if you have no money, so why it is benefit for you. Now investing is using the money in such a manner so that in market, so that you could get the proper benefit. Now investing is with various terms like share market, in banks manner, property manner, real estate manner, commodity, equity. So there are lots and lots of manner who supports you in terms of investing. So you must know that how the market works, and you must know the exact thing that how the investment works. Now next thing come with the understanding the market. Now understanding the market is much one step ahead from the investing. You must be thinking that understanding the market and investing are two same things. So not now, but they are similar things, but they are not exactly the same. Now basically understanding the market, is understanding that how the market will grow, how the market will go down, what are the things which will be demanded in the market for the future need, what will be the things will be demanded now, what will the things demanded for other types of things. So if you will get that, so you will invest in proper manner and in the right product. And if you invested in such a manner, so basically you will get the market scenario. And if you will get that, so it will surely support you to gain the good profits. Now next thing come with the understanding of law. Now law is basically the management system of rules and regulation for each and every country. Now you may be probably from any country, but the law matters the most. Now if you start the earning, So you'll see that the government appears and the income tax office appears, and they say that you have to pay the tax because you are earning so much money and you're not paying the government. So it is the very necessary thing to understand that what laws could help you to I mean after all, you are investing your money which is invested by your side will surely indirectly benefit to the government. So you must be ensured that your laws or your rights should not be violated, so that you could remain in the safe side. Government or any organization could not blame you for investing your money or not giving your money for them. So this is the 4 terms which I discussed with you. So now I will revise the 4 terms. 4 terms are accounting, investing, understanding the market, and law. So these are a couple of things which will be related to the financial education. So guys, we are done with video. Thank you for watching this video up till here. Hopefully you understand all the things. Now, if you get if you like this video, so please subscribe to our channel Modern Day Empire. Please like this video, share this video to your friends and family, and we will meet in next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care of yourselves.